Saving with Shay. I'm here for my Walmart midweek haul for you guys. Listen, I did get a weekend bonus for Ibotta, but I literally need like 18 offers for $5. So I'm not too sure like that's gonna happen. And then I have the larger bonus, and for that I normally only need 48 offers for $10, but now I need like 65, I want to say. And so, and that like literally ends like I think tomorrow. So that's definitely not going to happen either. But if you're new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face, I am Shay. Definitely subscribe. Also make sure you smash the like button and support your girl. Don't forget to make sure your post notification on as well. So listen, what do I want to mention? I did post my stockpile video a couple days ago, and it's amazing how many people always say donate, donate, donate. If you watch me, you already know your girl be donating some stuff. And so yeah, I already donate. I have stuff that I donate, and I have stuff that I sell, and then I have stuff that I give to my family. And a lot of the stuff that I donate, I do check with my family first to see if they need it. And a lot of stuff I'll just give to my sister just because it's easier. And so if you haven't had a chance to check that video out, definitely check that one out. I also did what I made couponing for May as well. And so other than that, you guys, the deals are not dealing for me right now. I'm not even gonna lie. Like, I was at the gym this morning, I'm trying to put together my Google Doc, and I was like, look, this doc ain't docking. And so I went home, had coffee, made breakfast, and now I'm back out. So it is a little later than I normally record my Saturday video, but it is what it is. And so other than that, you guys, we're gonna head over to Walmart. We're gonna see what kind of awesome deals that we can grab. If you want to shoot your girl got, you know what to do. Keep so this watching. First deal that I was gonna do is on the French's yellow mustard. It looks like it's on rollback for $178, normally $218, but this one is not working for Ibotta. So if you can find the one that says 40% more, which is the 20-ounce bottle, you would pay $178. We'll get back 50 cents on Ibotta. There's also a 60-cent brand club survey as well. Bringing it down to only 68 cents. Just a reminder, a few of y'all hit me up in the comments like, look, it's not pronounced Goodles. That would mean bad. It's pronounced Goodles, like noodles, Goodles. Goodles, Goodles, get it? Goodles? Now I get it, y'all get it. Look. The price at $328, just a reminder that there is still a free aisles offer that is still good for this. You'll grab one again at $328. You'll get back 25 cents on Ibotta, $328 from the aisles offer. It makes it a 25-cent moneymaker. Now, you might still have this offer available for... what is it? Social Nature as well, making it an even bigger moneymaker. All right, guys. So this next deal, I keep forgetting to grab this. It's a Social Nature offer. It's on the mochi. They're priced at $4.66. They got like 4 different flavors. I'm not sure which one I want to get. I low-key want to get mango because your girl loves her some mangoes. For this, you want to grab one of them. Getting that back on Social Nature, and then there's also 25 cents back on Ibotta. It'll make this a 25-cent moneymaker. So this is another deal I keep forgetting about, and it's almost gone. It says almost gone, so I have to do it before it's almost gone. It's a freebie on Social Nature. They are priced at $126, and then you get that back. And so definitely gonna pick it up. It's free. It's a good item to donate as well. And so, yeah, just a reminder, the Rockstar deal is still going on. Like, they have no Rockstars at all at checkout, which is crazy. They have none. They haven't restocked. I think I only found like a couple of the recovery ones. But they're priced at $1.88. Bam. This deal is still going on. It's an aisles offer. You're going to grab 2 of them. You end up paying $3.76. You get back 5 on aisles. This deal can be done every other week until the end of the year, which is awesome. So don't forget. And then we also have a Fetch Reward offer that popped up. Mine's is spend 25, get back 250. And so yeah, so it makes him $1.24 money maker. All right, guys. So this next deal is on the bacon strips. So they have some that are priced at $3.48 right here. So we're gonna grab a total of 2 of them. The 2 is going to come to $6.96. You get back $2.25 for buying 2 on Ibotta, $2.25 for buying 2 on ShopMe, and $2.25 for buying 2 on Swagbucks. It'll bring them down to only 10 cents per bag. All right, so this next deal is on the spray and wash. It's priced at $2.98 for this. you'll be getting back $1.50 on Ibotta. Now I know some of you guys have $2. I actually had $1.50 and a 50 cent, but the 50 cent is no longer there, and it was double attaching. But your girl was too late getting here, so it'll bring it down to $1.48. The Arm & Hammer. They're priced at $5.44. This one, and then they have the lights as well. Getting back $4 on Ibotta. There was an offer on Shop Me and Alexa, but mine's is gone. So to bring that down to $1.44. Ibotta's a limit of 1. I wish it was a limit of 5. That would be so freaking awesome. And so yeah. Alright guys, so my store finally got the soft scrub. Or maybe they just had it, but your girl wasn't like seeing it. So it's priced at $3.43 for this, getting back 75 cents on Ibotta, 85 cents on Fetch Reward, and there's 250 kicks on Shopkick, which is $1. It brings it down to 83 cents. Okay, really quick. So the limit on Ibotta for this is a limit of 2. Fetch is a limit of 3. And Shopkick is a limit of 2. So I'm just going to go ahead and just grab 2. It'll make them 83 cents each. Alright, so this next deal is on the Skin Tint Shek Skin Tint Razor. The women's is priced at $6.27. They do have the men's, but it's priced a little bit more. I think it's $6.78. So you'll grab 1. You'll get back 4 on Shop Me, 4 on Swagbucks, making this $1.73 moneymaker. Now I'm probably going to go ahead and grab. We're going to grab 2 on separate transactions, submit 1 to Shop Me and Swagbucks, the other 2 Alexa and Inbox Dollars. So yeah. Alright guys, so this next deal is going to be on the Colgate Total. I'm going to be grabbing the whitening one right here, priced at $3.96. Getting back $2.50 on Ibotta. There's also $1 on Swagbucks, and then $1.24 on Checkout 51. It'll make it a 78-cent moneymaker. You guys, I'm actually kind of excited because my Shopkick, not Shopkick, but my Swagbucks is actually working when I click to scan, because it hasn't been working. Let me see if it's going to work. Watch it don't work just because I'm showing y'all. But it's actually working now, which is really cool, because up until this point it hasn't been working for me, but now it is. I'm happy. All right, so yeah, this next deal is going to be on the Crest 3D White. It's on the charcoal one. It's priced at $6.98. For this, it is double attaching. There's 2 offers. One is for 4, one is for 2. And then I have a 25-cent brand club survey as well, making that only 73 cents. Alright, so this next deal is on the Dial. Now for this, it has to be the cocoa butter and orange extract. It's priced at $3.97, getting back $1.25 on Ibotta, and then 500 kicks on Shopkick, which is $2. And last but not least, a 40-cent brand club brings that down to only 32 cents. Here on the clearance aisle, real quick. My stockpile video. Y'all know this is the last thing your girl needs. I need these like a hole in my head. But I want them. They are $2.50. I want to get them. Should I get them? I know by the time y'all see this, my mind's going to be made up already. $2.50. I want to get them though. That makes them like $1.25 because they're 2 packs, so like $1.25 each, which I think is pretty good, especially for this brand. And they're a better quality than like Dollar Quarter Tree, $1.50 tree. These would probably be $5 at Dollar Tree, Dollar Quarter Tree. I think I'm gonna get them down. Look what I found. I was watching Miss Danielle this morning, and hers was like $1 or something like that, really stupid low. Ours not as low, but it's still gonna be a moneymaker. And I'm gonna let this $1.50 moneymaker pay for my containers. It'll make them only 50 cents each, or 25 cents per piece, which I think is gonna be awesome. So for this, you're gonna grab one of the Excedrin price at $4.50. This one didn't work for me. I scanned it on Shop Me and it didn't scan. And so we're going to grab the blue box at $4.50. We'll get back $3 on Shop Me, $3 on Swagbucks. It'll make it a $1.50 moneymaker. Now I'm going to grab 2 on separate transactions and do 1 for Shop Me, Swagbucks, and Alexa and Inbox Dollars, making it a $3 moneymaker. And again, it's going to help pay for this over here, which is what I really, really want. And so, yeah. Alright guys, so here is my complete haul, my little bitty haul for today. This worked out really good. I hope the AC is not too loud, y'all, because it's like 98 degrees today. It's hot as heck. Ain't nobody outside. But guess what? Gas prices is going down. Probably because ain't nobody trying to go nowhere. I think it's like $4.13 right now, which is really cool. And so, but anyways, listen. This is my complete haul for today. I didn't do a lot. I only did what was necessary. All right? That's what we're going to call these hauls. We only do what's necessary. This is all that was necessary to me. And so everything worked out good. I did Rockstar 3 times. Forgot the ice cream. And I had to open it so I can try it. See if I like it. It's different. It's definitely, it's not like a, it's different. It's different. It's different. But guess what? It's only 80 calories. So, oh, okay. Forgot the beech nut. So something happened with the beech nut. That was $126. But when I submitted my receipt, I got back $348. So it actually ended up being like a little money maker, which was really cool because I didn't expect that. I don't know what happened, but this is the one I got, the mango one. And it glitched and they gave me back more. Other than that, everything else worked out good. Oh, the bacon strips, that didn't scan for me on Shopmium. So I have to wait for the receipt to process so I can put a ticket in for that. Because it does say 6 ounces or more, and those are 6 ounces. And I should have freaking scanned it first, but I didn't. Other than that, everything else worked out pretty good here. And so everything you see here retails $69.91. The sales tax was $6.97. And then we walk away with $17.75 from Ibotta, which sucks because I'm almost close to cashing out. Last time I was 50 cents away from cashing out. The aisles is $15. Swagbucks is $10.25. Shopmium is $9.25. Social Nature is $8.14. Inbox dollars $8. Alexa $7. Shopkick was $4. Walmart cash was $2.50. Checkout 51 was $2.48. Fetch Reward was $1.70, and Brand Club was 95 cents. All right, so we walk away with a total of $87.02 back in rebates. It makes everything you see here free plus a $17.11 moneymaker, which is crazy because I didn't expect that. I really, really, really didn't expect that. I'm not going back to Walmart, and I'm not going to even worry about the weekend. This was 8 rebates right here, and there's no way I'm going back out to do nothing. I'm not doing nothing. Again, we are doing only what's necessary. And so, with that being said, I will leave it there. You guys have an awesome day and night whenever you're watching, where you're watching from. If you made it get to the end of the video. As far as emojis, I want to see a... What haven't we seen? Because Josiah is still asleep. I want to see... I want to see candy emoji. Any kind of candy emoji in the comments. I don't know why I said candy. Maybe because I saw the sweetie. And it's actually okay. I like the ice cream inside more so than the outer layer. But it wasn't bad though. Of course I'm going to still eat them. But other than that, I appreciate you guys watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.